Congratulations, Girish, for solving the crossword puzzle from last week. Do keep watching Global Healthcare Archives every Monday to get the latest updates on healthcare and to win exciting prizes. This week we have more exciting prizes, so stay tuned till the end. Now let's dive into the updates. US-based healthcare referral management company Pareto has launched a clinical trial recruitment service called the Pareto Research Network. It connects healthcare center patients with nearby trials. Today, Pareto serves over 130 health center clients across 35 states. With this service, they aim to apply their expertise in addressing issues such as lack of racial, ethnic, and socioeconomic diversity in clinical trials. Over in Washington, Howard University College of Medicine has partnered with AARP Innovation Labs to improve chronic disease management in medically underserved communities by leveraging AI and data analytics. The partnership will focus on improving diabetes management and medication adherence. So, one of the features would be using voice technology and facial recognition to remind individuals to take their medication. Meanwhile, tech giant Accenture is acquiring health consulting company Opusline to reinforce its AI and IT services in healthcare, life sciences, and the insurance vertical. With this acquisition, Accenture wants to strengthen its commitment to the healthcare industry. Opusline already has around 85 consultants who will now be part of Accenture's healthcare consulting services and solutions. Now, skipping over to Africa, led by the African Union Commission, the African Pathogen Genomics Initiative is making headlines for all the right reasons. Launched to tackle infectious diseases in the region, this initiative will strengthen lab networks and public health surveillance through Africa's Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. And meanwhile, closer home in India, we might be seeing the light at the end of the pandemic. The Indian government is getting prepared for administering the COVID-19 vaccine as soon as it becomes available. The government is creating a database of healthcare workers, including pharmacists, technicians, ward staff, and security staffers, so that the frontline workers are the first to get vaccinated. The database will be subsequently uploaded on the COVID-19 vaccine beneficiary management system. And India isn't far behind on artificial intelligence and data analytics too. Apollo Hospitals has partnered with the Indian subsidiary of the global medtech giant Medtronic to take stroke management to the next level. Medtronic will help bring new technologies, technical expertise, training, and comprehensive stroke management with integration of AI platforms at the Apollo Institute of Neurosciences. This AI integration will standardize stroke diagnosis and empower clinicians to make more accurate diagnosis and hence faster treatment decisions. Well, that's the healthcare update for this week. But before we move on to the quiz, here's a reminder about personal health that might benefit you. Often we tend to be pessimistic because of the ups and downs of our daily life. But it's imperative to be optimistic in order to stay healthy. An American study says that increasing your level of optimism decreases the chances of life-threatening issues such as cancer, heart disease, stroke, respiratory disease, and infections. So stress and negativity can in fact affect your psychological health. Be optimistic, be positive, and stay healthy. Now it's time for the quiz. Identify the doctor in the photograph on your screens. The person who does this first and posts on our social handles is likely to win an exciting prize from us. Well, that's it for this week. Don't forget to subscribe and tune in for a new episode every Monday.